Hello student, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani and this is the video number 17, and in this video I will be explain topic exercise question start from 19th, and these questions of chapter number 8 redox reaction. So question number 19th, balance the following equation in basic medium by ion electron method and oxidation number method and identify the oxidizing agent and reducing agent. So basic medium we have to use. So basic medium, that is means in the reaction for balancing OH minus ion add, and then balance by ion electron method and oxidation number method. Then after we have to find oxidizing agent and reducing agent. So first we have equation given. Question is P4 solid plus OH minus plus convert into the PS3 plus HPO2 minus. So here you see P4. So P4 zero oxidation state. OH minus, then convert into the PS3. So here phosphorus oxidation number -3, and then HPO2 minus we have to find C. H plus 1 phosphorus X, oxygen -2 multiplied 2 is equal to upper charge going to the right side -1. Then calculate -2 multiply 2 -4 plus 1 -3, and then upper right right hand side -1. So calculate, so plus 2 comes. So here plus 2 phosphorus. So P4 to -3 and P4 to HPO2 minus. So 0 to -3, that is me reduce. So it is a loss of electron. So 0 to -3 gain of electron. So gain of electron, that is means reduce. So P4 to PS3, it is a reduction half reaction. And here P4 to HPO2 minus 0 to plus 2 loss of electron. So it is a oxidation half reaction. So first we have to write oxidation half reaction. So P4 to convert into HPO2 minus. See, P4 to convert into HPO2 minus. And then balance atom phosphorus. So here 4 phosphorus and here single. So we have to write 4. Okay. Then 0 to plus 2, that is means 2 electron loss. So 2 and 1 phosphorus, 2 electron. So here 4 phosphorus, that is means 4 to the 8. So 8 electron to the loss. So we have to write this equation P4. Then in product side 4 HPO2 minus plus 8 electron. It is a oxidation half reaction, that is means loss of electron. So 8 electron. Then for balancing oxygen and hydrogen, left hand side we have to attach OH minus ion. Here you see right hand side 4 hydrogen and oxygen 4 to the 8. So according to the oxygen and hydrogen we have to add left hand side 12 OH minus ion to balance the charge. So P4 plus 12 OH minus convert into the in product side 4 HPO2 minus plus 8 electron. Then see 12 hydrogen left hand side and right hand side 4 to the 8. 4 hydrogen, and then oxygen 12 and right hand side 8. Then for the balancing of the oxygen, so we have to add 4 water molecule to the balance hydrogen and oxygen atom and right hand side. See, right hand side we have to add 4 H2O. So then P4, 4 phosphorus, 12 oxygen, 4 oxygen here and 8. So 12 complete, 12 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen and 8. So total 12. So 12 oxygen and 12 hydrogen balance. Then so this is the equation number first. Then we have to write reduction half reaction, and reduction half reaction P4 to PS3, that is means 0 to convert -3 reduce 0 to -3, that is means gain electron. Otherwise we have to say decrease in oxidation number. So we have to say reduction. So it is a reduction half reaction. P4 to PS3, 0 to -3. So balance the atom phosphorus, here 4 and here single P. So first we have to balance phosphorus. Then one phosphorus gain 3 electron, because 0 to -3. So 0 to 0, -1, -2, -3. So 3 electron gain by one phosphorus. So here 4 phosphorus given. So 4 3 ja 12. So 12 electron gain. Then balancing the hydrogen and oxygen. So we have to add left hand side. Sorry, here left hand side gain. So right hand side we have to add OH minus, 12 OH minus. Then for balancing the hydrogen and oxide, then write left hand side water molecule. So 12 oxygen, so 12 water molecule add left hand side. So P4 plus 12 H2O plus 12 electron, and right hand side 4 PS3 plus 12 OH minus. This is the equation number second. Here 12 electron given, and in the first equation 8 electron. So for the balancing the electron, so first equation multiply by 3. So 8 3 is 24 electron, and second equation multiply 12 electron multiply by 2, so 24 electron. So balance, so first equation multiply by 3, so 3p4 plus 3 12 3 is 36 OH minus, then 12 HPO2 minus, then 12 H2O and plus 24 electron. Then this equation number second multiply by 2. So P4 2p4 plus 24 H2O plus 24 electron, then product side 8 PS3 plus 24 OH minus. So this is the first equation, this is the second equation. 24 electron cancel by 24 electron, and left hand side 36 OH minus. So here 24 OH minus. So cancel, so remaining 12 OH minus left hand side. So 3p4 and plus 2p4, 5p4, and then here left hand side 24 H2O and right hand side 12 H2O. So left hand side remain 12 H2O, 12 OH minus, then right hand side 8 PH3 plus 12 HPO2 minus. So this is the balance equation. Then next equation second, N2H4 plus ClO3 minus convert into the NO plus Cl minus. So they balance this equation by ion electron method. So first we have to see its oxidation number. So in N2H4, so N2H4, see, find the oxidation number of nitrogen plus 2x plus hydrogen plus 1. So plus 4 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to minus 4. So x is equal to minus 2. Okay, so minus 2 of the nitrogen, and ClO3 minus. Here you see x plus oxygen number minus 2 multiply 3, and upper charge going to the right side is equal to minus 1. So minus 6 going to the right hand side plus 6. So plus 6 minus 1 plus 5. So plus 5 oxidation number of Cl. Then convert into the NO. So nitrogen have plus 2 because oxygen minus 2 and Cl minus 1. So here you see minus 2 nitrogen convert into the plus 2. Okay. So oxidation half method. So increase the oxidation number minus 2 to plus 2. Increases oxidation number, that is means oxidation half reaction. Here plus 5 to convert minus 1. So reduces, so reduction half reaction. Okay. So first we have to write oxidation half reaction. Oxidation half reaction, that is means loss electron, increase oxidation number, N2H4 convert into the NO. So minus 2 to convert into the plus 2. Okay. So balance the first nitrogen atom. So here 2 nitrogen, here single. So 2 nitrogen we have to write. Then see, minus 2 to plus 2. So represent on the number line 0, and right hand side plus 1 plus 2, and left hand side minus 1 minus 2. So minus 2 to convert into the plus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 electron loss by 1 nitrogen. So here 2 nitrogen given, so that is means 4 2 ja 8, so 8 electron loss. So loss electron write the right hand side. So N2H4 plus 2 convert into the 2NO plus 8 electron. So for balancing oxygen we have to write basic medium this reaction occur. So 8 OH minus to balance the charge and write to the left hand side. So N2H4 plus 8 OH minus convert into the 2NO plus 8 electron. Then for balancing the hydrogen and oxygen we have to write water molecule to the right hand side. So total first count 8 hydrogen and 4 hydrogen, to total 12. Then 8 oxygen. So first we have to write 6 H2O to the right hand side. So hydrogen balance N2H4 plus 8 OH minus right hand side 2 NO plus 6 H2O plus 8 electron. So balance oxygen 2 and 6 8 and 8 oxygen left hand side. Okay, then reduction half reaction we have to write ClO3 minus convert into the Cl minus. So plus 5 oxidation number of Cl convert into the minus 1. Here you write represent on the number line 0 minus 1 left hand side and plus represent right hand side. So plus 5 2 convert into the minus 1. So how many count? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 electron to the balance oxidation number. Here gain electron, so gain electron right in the left hand side. So ClO3 minus plus 6 electron convert into the Cl minus. Then for balancing the oxygen and basic medium, so write the right hand side 6 OH minus. Then for balancing the hydrogen and oxygen we have to write water molecule to the opposite side, that is means basic medium OH minus right hand side. So left hand side we have to add water molecule. So ClO3 minus plus 3H2O plus 6 electron plus convert into the Cl minus plus 6 OH minus. Then first equation 8 electron but second equation 6 electron. So for balancing the electron charge, so multiply first equation multiply by 3, so 24 and 6 electron multiply by 4, so 24 electron comes. So that is means first equation and second equation are equal. So first equation multiply by 3, so 3 N2H4 plus 24 OH minus convert into the 6 NO plus 8 H2O 18 H2O plus 24 electron. Second equation multiply by 4, so 4 ClO3 minus plus 12 H2O plus 24 electron convert into the 4 Cl minus plus 24 OH minus. 24 electron cancel by 24 electron, 24 OH minus 24 OH minus cancel, 12 H2O and 18 H2O. So cancel and right hand side remain 6 H2O. So equation is 3 N2H4 plus 4 ClO3 minus and right hand side 6 NO plus 4 Cl minus plus 6 H2O. This is the balance equation. And your choice, ion electron method use, otherwise oxidation number method use for balancing the equation. And then oxidation number method, so reduction in the oxidation number, nitrogen 8 electron, here first equation 8 electron. So oxidation number nitrogen 2 into 4 8 electron. So increment in the oxidation number of Cl 1 into 6 is equal to 6 electron. So multiply opposite way, N2H4 by 3 and ClO3 minus by 4, because for balancing the reduction and increment of the oxidation number. So 3 N2H4 plus 4 ClO3 minus convert into the NO plus Cl minus. Then balance the chlorine and nitrogen atom. See nitrogen atom here 6, so right hand side written 6. Here chlorine 4, so right hand side we have to write 4. And then water molecule add to balance the oxygen atom. So right hand side we have to write water molecule. So 3 N2H4 plus 4 ClO3 minus, here total hydrogen 12. So right hand side 6 H2O add, so 12 hydrogen. Then total oxygen 6 oxygen and 6 12 oxygen right hand side, so 3 4 12. So balance this equation. Okay. Then question number 3, Cl2O7 plus H2O2 convert into the ClO2 minus plus O2 plus H plus. So this is the equation. So first we have to see chlorine oxidation number plus 7 here. See, we have to find Cl2O7. So plus 2x plus oxygen oxidation number minus 2 multiply 7 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to plus 14. So x is equal to plus 7. Plus 7 and then right hand side ClO2 minus chlorine plus 3 and H2O2 oxygen minus 1. So right hand side O2 0. So plus 7 to plus 3 reduces, decrease oxidation number plus 7 to plus 3. So it is a reduction half reaction, and here minus 1 to 0. So oxidation half reaction. So first we have to write oxidation half reaction. H2O2 convert into the O2. So here you see first balance the electron basis. Here 2 oxygen, here right hand side also 2 oxygen. So here minus 1 and 0. So right, see 0 and minus 1. So only 1 electron. So 1 oxygen remove 1 electron. So here 2 oxygen given. So remove lost 2 electron. Then balancing the hydrogen. So 2 OH minus 2 the balance the charge. So left hand side we have to write 2 OH minus convert into the O2 plus 2 electron. Then balance the oxygen and hydrogen. We add water molecule in the right hand side. So H2O2 plus 2 OH minus convert into the O2 plus 2 H2O plus 2 electron. Then reduction half reaction Cl2O7 convert into the ClO2 minus. So plus 7 decrease into the plus 3. So see 0 to plus 7 plus 3 to plus 7. So plus 7 to plus 3 gain of electron. So gain how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 electron. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 electron gain by 1 Cl. So here 2 Cl given. So that is means 8 electron. Okay. And then 2 Cl. So first balance the chlorine atom. Then add 8 electron to the left hand side. Then 4 balancing the and basic medium oxygen. So 6 OH minus add to the right hand side. So Cl2O7 plus 8 electron plus convert into the 2 ClO2 minus plus 6 OH minus. Then adding again same hydrogen and oxygen balance, water 3 water molecule add to the balance oxygen atom. So equation is Cl2O7 plus 3 H2O plus 8 electron, product side 2 ClO2 minus plus 6 OH minus. This is the second equation. First equation 2 electrons, second equation 8 electrons. So first equation only by multiply by 4. So then balance the charge. So first equation multiply by 4. So 4 H2O2 plus 4 OH minus convert into the 4 O2 plus 8 H2O plus 8 electron. And reduction half reaction Cl2O same equation we have to write. Then multiply equation number first by 4 and second equation as it is. So we get the balanced redox reaction. See Cl2O7 plus 4 H2O to 8 OH minus and right hand side 6 OH. So here remain only 2 OH minus. Then 3 H2O and right hand side 8 H2O. So this is the cancel and right hand side remain 5 H2O. Then right hand side 2 ClO2 minus plus 4 O2. So this is the balance equation by ion electron method. Then by oxidation number method, so we already known about a reduction in the oxidation number 4 into 2 8 electron and increment in the oxidation number of H2O to 2 into 1 is equal to 2. So equal the number, multiply H2O2 by 4 and then to balance the reduction, and then O2 multiply H2O2 by 4 and O2 by 4 to balance the reduction and increment by the oxidation number. So here you see 4 H2O2 and 4 O2. So 4 balancing. So then water or hydrogen and oxygen balancing 3 water molecule add to the right hand side. So Cl2O7 plus 4H2O2 convert into the 2ClO2 minus plus 4O2 plus 3H2O. Then again you see here basic medium in reaction occur. So 2OH minus right in the left hand side and 2H2O to balance hydrogen atom. So Cl2O7, 4H2O2, 2OH minus in right hand side 2ClO2 minus plus 4O2 plus then again 2H2O extra add, so 5H2. Then balance, see 8 hydrogen plus 2, so 10 and right hand side 5 to the 10. Then oxygen 4 to the 8 and 2 oxygen, so 10 oxygen. So here 4 to the 8, 5, then here you see 7 also. So 7 and 9 and 13. So here also 2 to the 4, 8 and then 5. Okay. So this is the balanced reaction equation. Next question I will be explained in next video. Thank you so much.